Welcome back to Web API Tutorials. I am Venkat, and in the previous videos we have completed role privileges CRUD operations, but I have forgot to create one endpoint which is getting all role privileges by role ID. So we have implemented retrieval endpoints. So get role privileges and get role privilege by ID, get role privilege by name. We have implemented 3 retrieval endpoints. We need one more. So get role privileges by role ID is needed here because we need to read all the privileges assigned to a particular role. Get all role privileges by ID. By ID. Get role privileges by ID. For this, we need to go to the repository and we need to add one more method. Get all by any filter. So we need this filter here. We can use this one, but this one is returning a single record, not list. That's why we need one method with returning list. Okay, let's go to this. So here we need to implement one more method, get all by filter, and this is the filter. It's not first or default to list. So here this is a list of T. This one also to list. To list async. Okay, this is the additional method I have added inside the repository. So which will take the filter and returns the list of records. So we cannot use this because this one is returning only single record. So now get all by filter. What is the filter? This one is the filter. So here we need to get it by role ID. So here we need to add input parameter integer role ID. So here we need to call get all by filter async. Role privileges, and these are the role privileges. Correct. So this method we required. So get all role privileges assigned to a particular role. So this one is completed. Let us test it now. Rerun this. So this one is get all. This one is get all by role ID. Try it out. First let us see what are all there. So there is one privilege with role ID 2. Okay. So let's pass 1. So it is saying empty. Correct. Let's pass 2. Yes, it is working. It is fetching all the privileges assigned to role 2. Okay, this one is working. So with this, we have created 4 retrieval endpoints. First one is get all role privileges. Next one is get all role privileges by role ID. Okay, let's rename it by role ID. That's a little bit meaningful. Okay. And get role privileges by ID, get role privilege by name. So these are the 4 different retrieval methods. So that's it. From next video onwards, let us start consuming these endpoints in Angular application. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.